Oh no, you just caught me. I'm still in my pajamas. Welcome to the last day of March, the last March calendar. So let's start with singing our song. There is a month with 31 days and March is its name. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh, leprechauns and shamrocks too. Spring is almost here. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh, nice job. All right, I'm gonna move myself up here. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Okay, here we go. Today is Tuesday, March, and we come on down here. And what is it? What number comes after 30? 60. No, that's not right. 95. No. You're right. 31. The last day of March. Because there's 31 days. There is a month with 31 days. And March is its name. Oh, okay. So let's say together the date. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. Code date. Are you ready? The last day that we get to write a 3. Are you ready? 3 dash 31 dash 20. And what does the 3 stand for? You're right, 3 stands for March. The 31 stands for that there's been 31 days in March. And the 20 stands for 2020, the year that we're in. Now it's time for us to do our tally marks. We have to do 31 tally marks. So get ready, let's do it. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you sitting down? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And our last tally for the month of March, 31. There's 31 days in March. And there they are, the 31 days in tally style. Let's count them. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. All right, everybody, let's check that temperature right now. It is 7 o'clock. And you'll notice that it says that it is 34 degrees out, 34 degrees Fahrenheit. And it says it's clear with periodic clouds. I'm going to say that's probably mostly sunny. I don't know. When they throw that in, I don't know what they're talking about, but we're going to do it that way. So 34. So let's get ready to find out what color we colored today. Are you ready? 34. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. Now we got to count by 1s. 31, 32, 33, 34. And we pull it over. And what color do I color? I color it blue. March really likes blue. I think blue wins. In March, we've been mostly in the 20s and 30s, which is nice. But then there's a few days we've been in the purple, which is the 0 to 20s. So I'm glad that I'd rather have it a little warmer. Now we're going to pull up, well, this doesn't even give us, well, we're going to do partly, we'll do partly cloudy, even though it's partly sunny, or it's actually clear with a few clouds. Here we go. No pattern. All right, everybody, let's do the days of the week. So I've already told you what the day today is. Does anybody remember? Let me hear you. Today is, no, it's not Friday. Who said Friday? Let me hear again. It is not Monday. That was yesterday. What is today? You're right. Today is Tuesday. So that means that yesterday, whoever said Monday before, yesterday was Monday. And tomorrow is Wednesday. So today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and the day that's coming is Wednesday. So let's do that with numbers. So if my number, I'm just going to pick a number. I'm going to pick the number 11. What number comes before 11? Let's think. Tell the screen, what number comes before 11? You're right, 10. What number comes after 11? No, not 64. No, not 75. Yes, 12. 12 comes after 11. Nice job. Look at those handsome little guys. Hey, March was a great month because Tristan was born in March, and Drake was born in March, and Connor was born in March. Happy birthday, guys. Anyone lost a tooth? No one tells me. You guys must not lose teeth very fast. Well, let me know if you lose a tooth because I love to put your picture in there. Now, today's joke of the day is given to us by Declan and Axel Saylor. Hopefully my recording will work. Are you ready? Here we go.
What did the left eye say to the right eye? Between us, something smells. What did the nose say to the finger? Quit picking on me.
I love those jokes, guys. Thank you for being our joke tellers of the day. So, once again, if you want to record yourself telling a joke, or if you want to type or send me a joke, I would love it. May you have a wonderful and blessed day. Goodbye.